Копыт,
This whole
Бронкс,
thing is
рано
complete
утром.
bullshit, and always has been. I mean, what's his job, really?
To keep shit from reaching the woodlands. Jack, I don't know where they are.
Всем привет, с вами Сертыр, да. Продолжаем проходить второй эпизод. Волк среди нас.
A bar. You're supposed to have darts around.
And I normally do, but who knows where the fuck they went to after...
Чё? Здравствуйте. У нас как бы плохие вести для тебя.
Come on, Holly. I need entertainment. This'll do.
Нормально все будет, если не будете начинать. Можете расслабиться.
Okay, I know. Just relax. I'm not here to start anything.
Понятно?
Okay.
Miss White, I heard you had kind of a strange morning.
It's been kind of a strange morning for everyone, I think.
Every time I see this guy, he seems to lose weight. It's amazing. It really is. He loses weight and yet somehow keeps all the muscle.
Jack.
Wolfie, my dear, how are you?
В порядке. Так.
Because, you know, we were just talking about you. All of us. At the bar, here.
I'm really not in the mood right now.
Well, I was in the mood to play darts, so I guess nobody's getting what they want. I'm dying to hear about the body that came out of the East River this morning. It was a fable, right? Oh, everyone knows.
Tweedledee was just here.
You said it looked like
Не
snow.
траля-ля.
Sure it wasn't Tweedledum?
Мысли, блин, тру-ля-ля. Он там
Well,
сидит.
no, but he seemed pretty sure.
Crane.
Sorry.
Tweedledee said you arrested him for no earthly reason. Kept him locked in the cellar all fucking night.
Заколебал.
He said you tortured him. Which, I don't know, that seems like a breach of your legislative duties. Bigby, come on. You can't be so dumb as
Jack,
to...
find the off button, now!
What is it with you two? You and Gran are all, let's get a posse together when there's no one around, but as soon as the big bad wolf walks in, your tails go between your legs.
Ну тихо.
That got your nerve? What happened?
What happened? I'm tired is what happened.
Tired of what?
Of trouble,
Jack.
Jack. I'm sick and tired of trouble. I don't want any more.
Jack.
What? Bigby, look. 2 fables are dead. And shit, Gren's sister,
Holly's sister.
Holly's sister, has been missing for what? A few days now? And we haven't heard word one about it from anyone.
Хватит.
Hey, easy! Ah, fuck! What'd I do? Ah!
Уйди,
Go
пожалуйста.
fuck on up a beanstalk, Jackie boy.
Gren, you gotta learn some new lines. Let me tell
Уйди,
you.
честное слово. Дай мне поговорить с Холли.
Alright then. Actually, have there been any updates?
Holly, your sister's dead. She's the one we found her.
Прямо надо сказать. Да.
God fucking damn it! Of course, the dear princess Snow fucking White is all safe and sound.
Слушай, тебе мало было в прошлый раз?
Where were you when we reported this weeks ago, huh? Where are you when we ever fucking need you? If you'd give 1 ounce of a shit about her, about any of us, she might have been saved. She might have been cared for. She might have been...
Ё-моё. Не трогайте.
All right, clear out. Give her some room. I ain't leaving her with you. No way.
Не трогайте вы ее, ё-моё. Не советую, Снежка.
Holly,
Get the fuck out of my bar.
I just
It
want...
should have been you. It should have been you, and it wasn't.
Тихо, тихо. Снежка, не сейчас, все.
We recovered this from her personal effects. I thought you might like to have it.
I didn't know she still had this.
Это не улика, погоди.
The copper was from a dwarf mine.
We don't know what's important yet. I mean, isn't that evidence?
She was killed for a brooch.
Just next time clear it with me, alright?
Я просто думаю.
Gren,
Yeah?
take off for a bit, would you?
Are you sure?
Да, пожалуйста. Отойди, Грен. Кто знает тебя, блин. Вот выход, пожалуйста, наконец-то. Ушел.
I don't know that much about her life. Honestly, we didn't talk often. She was
Почему
lost
Лили была
here
под
in
чарами?
the city. She just got swept away by it.
Do you have any idea why she'd be glamored as Snow White?
What? Oh God.
Да, под
I'm
Белоснежку.
sorry. That was probably about.
Что?
She was hooking to pay down debt. It ate me up to see her that way. Eventually, the only people she owed were at her work. You know, that shithole club.
Сладкий
pudding and
десерт.
pie. The owner, Georgie, with all his fucking fees, it's a crock of shit. That's how they kept her under their thumb, really.
Holly, it's okay.
Клуб,
If it's
сладкий
too much,
десерт.
we don't have to do
Надо
this.
сюда
Pudding and
налить.
pie, huh? What do you know about the place?
It's a real garbage dump.
We can just go check it out. We've got a lead. Maybe we can take it from here.
Да, согласен.
Lily.
That's helpful. I'll check into it.
Проверим,
Is
проверим.
she? Where is she?
She's at the business office. She's taken care of.
I'm gonna have to go down there and get her. Fuck.
Please, we can handle the funeral arrangements.
No, it's a kind of it's a formality with trolls.
Забери,
Of
забери.
course.
Okay, good.
Let's go down to the
Отдадим,
business
там мы уже
office
все
and
проверили.
start making
Нечего
the
там
necessary
уже осталось.
preparations.
Надо ее похоронить уже. Мы тело уже проверили. Так, все, пошли. Сейчас надо в этот куб
That
наведаться.
club?
I'll go down there now. See what I can find out from the owner.
You were good with her. I'm impressed.
Смотря
Really?
как.
Thanks. It just made
Хотя бы с
everything
ней ты
easier.
добрым был. Так. Едем в клуб теперь. Клуб «Сладкий десерт», Бронкс, вечер. Приехали. Тут еще какая-то женщина стоит с ленточкой. Похоже, как у Веры, кстати.
Oh, Sheriff, what a nice surprise. I'm not sure I've seen you here before. You're always welcome, of course.
У
Is
меня
it
вопросы к
business or
Джорджи.
pleasure?
I've got some questions for Georgie.
Straight to business this time, then. You're in luck. He's here. Come on.
Он здесь, хорошо.
I should warn you that Georgie does not like to be bothered when he's working.
Ничего
And
страшного.
he's in kind of a mood right now.
Я умею находить с людьми общий
I have a
язык.
way with people.
А именно дать им люлей.
So I've heard. Welcome to the Pudding and Pie,
Да,
where
да.
we cater to the diverse tastes of the Fable community. Your pleasure is our pleasure.
Ты
Your
знала,
desires
Лили?
are our desires.
Did you know Lily? She worked here?
My lips are sealed.
Уста
You'd
закрыты.
better ask Georgie.
Да, моя.
What do you think you're doing? You look like you're trying to take a shit.
Милое местечко.
Nice place.
You do have a sense of humor. That's good.
It's your face. You have to smile. You never smile. How many times do I have to say it?
Так, ты.
You're supposed to turn the clients on.
Hey!
Oh, it's you.
Да.
Stay right there. Don't even
Оставь
think
в
about
покое.
sitting down. What do you want then? You here for a little taste? Tell you what, come back after midnight maybe. I can hook you up.
Так.
Or, knowing you, she's probably not quite your style. You'd prefer someone who can take a bit of a beat.
Я здесь не за этим.
Oh, I'm not here for that. You just stopped in for the
У
chips
меня
then?
к тебе вопросы.
Jesus, Big B, you're so corny. I love it though. No, seriously, I love it. Okay, alright, Sheriff. Just fucking with you. Look, I know why you're here.
Кто тебе это сказал?
Told you.
Listen, Sheriff. Around here, we can't afford to wait for you and your swanky pals to take an interest. We have to look out for each other. When shit happens, I hear about it. Especially if it concerns my livelihood.
In that case, I assume you knew Lily was glamour.
Of course she was, you daft git. She was a troll.
No, I mean glamour to look like another fable.
Yeah? Well, so what? Who gives a toss? People get up to all
Ты
kinds
стоишь
of
за
things
этим.
when nobody's
Я
watching.
что-то вот
I
мне
think
кажется.
you're behind this. You got her a black market glamour as part of some twisted sex fantasy.
Ooh, black market is it? How exciting.
Вот то у меня подозрение
This is
сразу
exactly what I would
вызываешь
expect from a
про
thug like
незаконные
you.
чары.
Storm in, throw around a bunch of accusations, try to scare
Игорь,
people.
по-моему, пора
You've
уже
got
реально
fuck all to
начинать.
back it up. And
Это
we're all
как-то-
just meant to jump anytime the wolf shows his teeth.
Nothing to back it up? Well, what the fuck is this then?
Get that out of my face.
I found it on Lily's body, and it's definitely a back alley job. Where did she get it?
You've got this all wrong. If Lily was doing a special glamour, it wasn't for me. For fuck's sake, I want that kind of eat.
Who was she
Нужны
doing it
неприятности.
for then?
She had clients, Big B. Maybe one of them was into it. A lot of fucked up people in Fabletown.
Like who?
Try looking in the mirror. Anyway, now what to do with me?
При чем он здесь?
Go on!
Выруби нафиг.
You gonna hit me?
Я сказал
Oh
нафиг.
no, fuck!
Да, хотя бы где-то не забудь.
You proud of yourself, mate? Proud of your little mess?
Нормально все.
Фокс.
Мне нужно поговорить с тобой.
Fuck off, Hans.
У меня к тебе есть реальный разговор.
I need to ask you a few questions.
Мне и тебе уже надо позадавать
Hans
вопрос.
just cleans up and provides a little muscle when we need it. He's not gonna know anything about the girls and their clients or any of that. No one knows. Don't you get it? It's by design. Discretion is our guarantee, right? And the way we guarantee that is that no one knows anything they don't have to know, including me. I cover my eyes and take my cut. End of story.
Why not look it up?
What's that?
Isn't there a little book with all the stuff about the girls and all that written in
You're a
it?
fucking moron.
Show me.
There is no book. And as for you, Hans, we need to work on your communication
Так,
skills.
я не
I
понял.
have a fairly good idea where to start.
Стоять.
Hey, that's my personal property.
Расскажи мне про эту книгу.
Sure, go ahead. Do what comes naturally.
Давай. Я сейчас все сломаю.
Tell me about the book.
You
Давай
haven't got the
говори про
slightest
книжку,
clue
или я ломаю
about
магнитофон к
anything.
чертям собачьим. Или твое
Hey
лицо.
now.
Я пока не буду такой серьезный.
Cut the crap, Georgie. I want the book Hans is talking about.
Hans is confused. Again.
Ладно.
Don't even think about it. Jesus fuck!
Я сказал, говори, ё-моё.
Do not touch that. You hear me? That's nothing to do with you.
Давай мне.
There's still time for you to just cough it
Давай.
up.
I'm sorry, Sheriff, but there's no handy magic book with everything you want to know jotted down inside. I sincerely wish there was. Maybe it would get you off me back.
Попался. Что же мы здесь
Well,
нашли?
what's this? Looks like a floor safe.
I wouldn't know. It was here when we moved in. I don't have a key to it.
Не
Sheriff, will
ори.
you come on? Fuck's sake, I've got to open up in a few hours.
Давай говори.
Oh, was it good for you, Sheriff? Next time I'm gonna have to charge you. Jesus, you're killing me. I'm begging you. I'll pay you.
Не будем говорить.
Women are dead.
Then quit being a bloody idiot. Come on, Nate. Leave it. There's nothing there for you.
Я разнесу это место. Пока не будем еще. Не будем это ломать.
You might want to stand back.
А, не, он сломает.
All right, all right, all right.
Ключ. Все-таки удалось нам
Bloody come on, man.
сказать правду. Давай, показывай мне. Иначе я сейчас... Давай,
Once
давай.
again,
Я
don't
бы
get
по лицу бы
yours.
ему дал бы.
There's nothing in here that'll tell you anything. But it's a kick to the balls for me and my club, so we can be happy about that.
Так, вот и книжечка. Там еще деньги.
Here, this is Lily's last entry. So tell me, Georgie, who's this Mr. Smith?
Мистер Смит.
Oh dear. I'm afraid it might be a fake name, Bigby. Secrecy is sort of how this all works. Even Ants knows that.
What's 207? Room number?
I don't fucking know. Millimeters, maybe?
Don't bullshit me, Georgie. This is your book, your
I'm not
girls.
their fucking secretary.
Не
I give them a
секретарь.
stage, I give them music, I provide an erotic venue to attract and retain clients. But let's be clear on something. The girls make the arrangements with their clients,
девушка
not me.
там.
The girls.
Не
They're the ones
выглядывайте,
with the
я
Mr.
надеюсь, вы хотя
Smiths
бы
and
оделись.
Joneses and Mr. X types. Whatever happens
Так,
outside the club,
Mr.
that's on
Smith.
them. I love the business, take my cut, and I'm out. Now, I've had quite enough of you and your bullying. Excuse me while I call your superiors to make a complaint.
Так,
Hello? Business office?
я тебе сейчас сломаю телефон нафиг.
Lipstick, lip gloss, compact.
Косметика здесь. Что за записка?
Faith, thanks for covering for me tonight.
Вера. Так.
Let's talk before you go over to the
Записка
apartment.
Лили и Веры. Разговор двух жертв.
Looks like they both saw one of Lily's clients.
Надо будет забрать, честно. Надо, мне кажется, забрать эту записку. Так, это Вера. Только Вера. Шкатулки. У нее тут шкатулки одни. Обе открытые.
Broken open, but there isn't even a lock. Lock's been busted
Тут
open.
вообще сломана она. У Лили тут почти... То есть ну, ничего не было. Мы положили только записку и все.
Excuse me.
Так.
I heard you out there. I don't remember ever seeing you here before.
Я постоянно это слышу.
Somebody else said that to me on the way in.
I guess we're all surprised.
Тоже с ленточкой.
You're trying to place me.
Такое чувство, тут работают девушки только
They
с
used to
ленточкой,
call
реально.
me the Little Mermaid. Once upon a time. Does that
А
help?
как тебя теперь зовут?
What do they call you now?
Whatever makes them happy. My name is Narissa.
Нарissa.
Well, Narissa, I've got some questions.
Of course you do. I don't have answers. You'll have to find those yourself.
207, погоди вначале.
Does the number 207 mean anything to you? I assumed it was a room number. But where?
We can't talk about work.
This is a murder case.
I mean can't.
Скажи ты.
These lips are sealed. Discretion is our guarantee.
Господи. Люди
It's how
постоянно
things work here.
повторяют эту фразу.
People keep using those phrases. What does it mean? This is what I need to know about. Lily's last entry. Who's Mr. Smith? Where's room 207? I have to know.
Я
These
серьезно.
lips.
Ладно, тихо. Слушай, давай не надо так
Sheriff
сильно.
Wolf, would you like to make an appointment with me?
Встретиться. Так. И что ты предлагаешь?
What exactly are you suggesting?
We could make all the usual arrangements. The usual place.
Предложение хорошее.
Okay.
Давайте согласимся.
What would I need to do?
I need 150. It's not good to be short.
150 баксов где найдут?
Okay. Oh, I don't...
Да господи, деньги там были, блин, в этом, можно было заплатить. Да не
Wait
надо,
here for a second.
мне не надо деньги давать. Хотя она куда-то пошла. Книжечку мы заберем, 100%. Она сейчас с этим как болтает. Ключ от 204.
Not 207?
Так,
You'll
спасибо.
think of something.
Хорошо, спасибо. Спасибо за ключ.
Open arms.
Объятия.
This is where they met.
Enjoy your stay.
Хорошо,
I
спасибо.
hope you
Все
find
равно.
what you're looking for.
Все равно спасибо за ключ. В отель объятия надо идти. Он вообще неподалеку. Вы посмотрите, он буквально в 2 шагах, он буквально в 5 шагах, можно так сказать. Вот полицейский. Он ушел. Это хорошо. Ну что, заходим в этот отель.